The 0x800704cf error typically occurs when you can't sign into any Microsoft app, such as Microsoft Store, Outlook, or OneDrive due to network or connectivity issues. Here are several steps to help you resolve this error and get your Microsoft apps working again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into technical fixes, make sure your internet connection is stable. Test the connection by opening a web browser and visiting any website. If your internet is not working, try restarting your router or checking with your internet service provider. Step 2. Run the Windows network. Troubleshooter Windows has a built-in network troubleshooter that can help identify and fix common network problems. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Select Internet Connections and click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to let Windows diagnose and fix the issue. Step 3. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause issues with Microsoft services. Right-click on the time in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Adjust Date/Time. Ensure that Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. If they are already on, turn them off and back on, then click Sync Now. Step 4. Reset Microsoft Store Cache. The Microsoft Store Cache might be corrupted, causing sign-in issues. Here's how to reset it. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type wusreset.exe and press Enter. This will reset the store cache. Wait for a few minutes as the process completes and check if the error is resolved. Step 5. Sign out and sign back in. If your Microsoft account is causing the issue, try signing out and then signing back in. Go to Accounts, Your Info, click Sign Out and follow the instructions. Restart your computer and sign back in to your Microsoft account. Step 6. Clear Windows Store credentials. Sometimes clearing out the stored credentials for the Microsoft Store can help fix sign-in issues. Press Windows key plus R, type Control Panel, and hit Enter. Click on User Accounts Greater Than Credential Manager. In Windows Credentials, find any entries related to Microsoft and remove them. Restart your computer and try to sign in again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the 0x800704cf error and get your Microsoft apps working again. Let me know if any of these steps work for you or if you need further assistance.